Hi guys, I'm Barney and welcome back to another GeoGuessr video. Today we start on the 24th position and we are in demotion zone, so we really have to win some US today. And also we will play no moving as usual and 4 games, so see how we will do in game 1. I really hope that we can win at least 2 of the 4 games, but if we could win more then it would be even better. Alright, we are in round 1. We have a red Google car here. We have sun to our east. It's hard to tell, maybe it's a bit to our north. Could this be South Africa? For me it feels like it a little bit. We have a dam here. And basically that's all our information and also the vegetation. It could be potentially Australia, but I mean I cannot even see the driving direction. Yes, I mean the Google car isn't South African and it doesn't feel that dry either. So maybe I should go Australia on this one, because I feel like this is the southern hemisphere. And also these trees doesn't feel too European. It could potentially be the USA as well, but I believe it's Australia. And it was indeed Australia, just a bit further up north, but we make a little more than 2000 points of damage, and we also take the multiplier here, so great start. Alright, we have Comida, China, Estilo, Cantones. We have sun to our west. And what kind of plates are these? It's fully white. And all of them is fully white. I believe this should be Mexican. Potentially Panadas Argentinas. Is this Argentina? I don't think it's Argentina. Santo Domingo, but maybe I should go there. Let's see where he went. And yes, it was indeed Mexico. I could potentially even win this round with a Mexico City guess, but I mean, I wasn't sure. Right, we have sun to our north, I believe. Should be in southern hemisphere. We are driving on the right. Do we have an EU? Is that an EU stripe? Am I blind, or is that really an EU sign? Like, I cannot see those, but I can see this one. Maybe I'm just blind. I mean, the sun is clearly to our north. Yeah, it cannot be. I really hope that this is just a Peru. I mean, we have everything European. Yeah, that's what I thought when I switched here. I don't know if you saw it last second or a bit over the last second. It would have been a great guess, but unfortunately that was too late. And we are in the southern hemisphere again. We are in New Zealand. So let's just guess the southern island here and see where he goes. Probably the same place. Yes, it was indeed the same place. He was a tiny bit closer, so he gets the 2.5 times multiplier and a little damage on me as well. So it's not the best, but I mean, that's how it is. And is it a back-to-back New Zealand? It seems like it, yes, it is indeed. We have ocean to our northwest, but those feel like islands. So I think I will have to go around Wellington here. And we are crossing a river. Yeah, I feel like I have to go somewhere here. Let's see where he went. He went a bit southern, and wow, it was just max north. So we make a little damage. So the points are quite even. He's going with about 700 and he has a half more time of multiplier. Alright, there's not much information here. We have sun to our east, basically, potentially to the north a bit. And we have some signs. I mean, it's impossible to read it. Can we see any driving direction here? Not really. I mean, I have to go India on this one, I think. Let's see where he went. He went a bit further up in India as well, and it was indeed India. He's a tiny bit closer, so he will take the 3 times multiplier, which is really significant here. But the damage that he dealt isn't really. Alright, we have sun to our south, which should be in northern hemisphere. We have the blue car, which is probably European. I don't see the European plates though, so this could be like Russia potentially. I don't want to go that far east Russia, but around the Ukrainian border I think it would be a safe guess. Let's see what he thinks. We could be potentially really far off. I don't think this is the US, but let's see where he goes. He has 3 more seconds to think, and he's going Japan on this one. Wow. Let's see, where was it? And it was indeed the USA. That was the place which I said that it cannot be. And it was just the middle of it. It was Nebraska. Alright, we have sun to our south, I reckon. So it should be northern hemisphere. We have all white road lines. And where could this be? Could this be East Asia? I mean, these kind of trees can't really be found in Europe, I reckon. So I think I will go East Asia on this one. And this is the back or the front of the car? I can never tell, unfortunately. Yeah, I think I will go South Japan, close to Taiwan here. He's going Vietnam, and it was the Philippines. It's not enough damage to take me out of the game, but I'm really low on health, and the multiplier is really big for him. So if he's a little bit closer, then basically he will win this round. And we are in the USA. We have this license plate which I should learn, but unfortunately I haven't learned yet. And yes, I don't know which part should I go, probably the East Coast. Let's go around Washington and see where was it. He went the same place, and well, it was just Chicago. So he's closer, but it's not enough damage to take me out. I only have 200 points of health left, so I really have to do something great here. Alright, we have a Danish and maybe also a Swedish flag there. And yeah, basically that's what we have to use here. Potentially we are in Copenhagen on the coast, so let's guess here and see where is it. He went further up, and it was I mean, it wasn't Copenhagen, but it was really close. It was a further up northern one, but it was a really good guess, and we are back into contest. Alright, we have center south, I reckon, but I mean it could be anything in Southeast Asia. We have all white road lines, and I think we are driving on the right, so we should be in the Philippines. I will guess the middle of it, and let's see where he went. He went the same place, and it was just Malaysia, so we are closer. We take a little higher multiplier, and also little damage. Now both of us basically, we don't have 1,000 health combined. What do we have here? Basically nothing. We have sun towards south, which we can see, and I mean we cannot even see which side are we driving on, but potential on the right. Yeah, it seems like, I think we should be in Europe, but where in Europe is a tough question. I mean, this could be Romania as well. It could be potentially the Alps, although I don't think it's the Alps, but it should be something around here. So I think I will go this Serbian border of Romania and see where is it. Let's see where he went. He went Serbia, and it was Bulgaria. We are a tiny bit closer, but still the game goes on. We are going into round 13. We have 300 health combined. And alright, what do we have here? Ozim vozilima otovar I daloska do Lasnika. Alright. Do we have a red go-car? Of course we don't. I don't see anything there. We have some boards there, but I cannot see them. It seems like we have European license plate, although it's really hard to tell. Is there anything maybe here? Not really. Then I will have to guess around here, close to Ukraine, Lithuania, Moscow. He went Bosnia and it was just Serbia. No. Oh, I really wanted to win this game. It didn't feel Serbian for me. But I mean, that's how it is. Let's go into game number 2. Wow, it was a really long game. 13 rounds. Yeah, I mean, it's really hard to concentrate after 12 really difficult rounds. But we are in the next one. We are in Europe. And what else do we have? Unfortunately, oh no, this is the German bollard. I wanted to say I don't recognize the bollard, but I do. So we are closer as well. It was the German bollard. We get the 1.5 times multiplier. So let's see what the next round gives us. We have a little language, Travasso. He's guessing really fast. Vectato, Accesso. We should be in Mexico maybe? Or is it Portuguese? Maybe it is. Let's go Europe. Yeah. Event South America. And yes, it was indeed European. It was Italy. If we went a little bit closer, then we could have taken the win here, but unfortunately we didn't. And I believe we should be in Guatemala. And I mean, Slata. Yeah, the language is not the best. Yeah, it's Guatemala. Let's just guess the capital and see where he goes. And yes, he didn't get it right. He went Peru. Let's say GG's. Now we could win in 3 rounds. The previous game took us 13 rounds. And now we are in 17th position. So we are in the remaining place where we remain in Gold 1. But of course our goal is to get promoted to Master 4, which would be really good as we could unlock the no moving, panning and zooming mode. Alright, what do we have here? We have an ink here, but nothing else. Hello, be a good person. Anything else? No, not really. We are in the USA. I believe we have the speed limit, so we should be. Of course, we have Santor South. I think I will go California on this one. because California shows up quite often here. But wow, it was indeed just Denver where he went. I will say GG's to him because it was a really good guess from him, but it's not over yet. We have a really big Google car here. It could be the Kazakh one, but we have sun to our north, so we should be in the southern hemisphere. I'm thinking where in the southern hemisphere could this be? The only thing that comes to mind is Peru. It's a bit weird to Peru, it's a bit too green, but I think I will have to go Peru. Or is it the Ecuadorian? Yeah, I will switch to Ecuador. Let's see where he went. And yes, it was indeed just Ecuador. So if we had a multiplier here and we could switch to Quito in time, then we could have also won here. We have sun to our east, we have ocean to our west. Yeah, basically we don't have anything to go out of here. Maybe I will go the Canary Islands here, because that's my only idea here, but I'm really not sure. He went Spain, and yes, it was indeed the Canary Islands, and it's gonna be enough damage to take him out of the game again in round 3. I'm really glad. This is my first time guessing the Canary Islands, and I was also right here. So yes, probably this is gonna be the title of today's video. And yes, we are already in the 4th game, and maybe it will be the last one, maybe we will have time for a 5th, I'm not sure. But what I know is that we have sun to our south, so we should be in northern hemisphere, and we have a code there, the 51st road, and I mean probably we cannot work out anything with that. It should be the US. Where in the US is a really tough question. Located in Cartaville, Illinois. Where's Illinois? Here. Yes, I could switch to Illinois. And I mean, we were in the right state, but we were further away. Maybe if I talk less and focus more since the beginning of the round, I could have got the road right. But I mean, that's how it is. And we have some signs on the right, but here we have sign on the left, so we just have to figure out the driving direction. It seems like we are driving on the left, so I will just go Japan here, a bit southern as usually it is, the southern part of it, even Taiwan, and it was indeed the southern part of it, so we don't get much point, but almost 1,000 points we can make. And alright, wow, it looks really weird, but also really nice. What are these green rocks here? We are in the southern hemisphere. I don't think this can be found in either Australia nor South Africa, New Zealand. So I will have to go Brazil, Uruguay, basically just South America here. And well, it was Peru. I mean, Peru is a really nice place. You can find any kind of landscape there, and all of them is amazing. And we are in either Thailand or Cambodia. Can we see which one of those two? Not really, but if I just guess Bangkok or a bit eastern from it, then we shouldn't be too far off. And yes, I mean, maybe I should have went to Bangkok, because if it's in the middle of it, then I get the multiplier. If it's far, then I will lose a few more points, but there's less chance that he's gonna get the multiplier. Anyways, we are in the next round. Super Catarinas. What do we have here? We have red soil all over the place. We could potentially be in, I wanted to say Namibia, but with this writing I get it back and switch to Southeast Asia. Could this be Southeast Asia? Am I crazy that I wanna go Southeast Asia, right? Yes, I am. I won't go there. I will have to go... I mean, it could be Cambodia. I will go Cambodia. Maybe it's gonna be really big points for him. I mean, yes it is, but we still survive. It was Paraguay, wow. Yeah, I don't know anything about Paraguay, I have to learn it. I mean, he didn't get the country right either, but at least he was closer. We are in the northern hemisphere, probably in Europe. Unfortunately, I cannot read that. And what else do we have? Are these European houses? Not really, right? Yeah, it's really tough. Everything besides the houses look European. So I'm not sure where am I supposed to guess. We have a hilly landscape, so this could fit for like Italy around. But I mean, it could be so much more, and I really hope that we get at least the continent right. Yeah, I mean, this house could look European, but I'm not sure. So, yes, I would really need some help here. I mean, this car doesn't look the European car either. We have two side mirror blurs, which I should learn that where can that be found. Yeah, I will just go Europe here. I don't have a better idea. Let's see what he thinks. He thinks about the USA, and probably he's gonna be right. But no, he's not sure either. Now he's in Europe. He knows that it's the northern hemisphere, but he doesn't know the continent. And well, it was just Sri Lanka. It was a bit closer, so he takes the 3 times multiplier here and also makes a little damage on me. Alright, we have a really narrow road. We are in the northern hemisphere. And we have some flags here. But this is all kind of flags, I think. So yeah, it's not much that I could work with. I mean, is this European or US? I don't really know. I mean, we have a long antenna, but I don't think this is Ukraine. More likely close to Austria, Italy. This could be the Alps, maybe. Could this be something around Turkey? Potentially, yes. I will just go Slovenia on this one. So a little hedge between the Alps and the area of Turkey. He's probably going closer to the Alps or in the Alps, and wow, we both got it wrong. He's closer, it was Italy, but I mean, we still survived, so we still have a chance. Right, we are driving on the left. What do we have here? Nothing really. Here, Layang. And what else? Can we see the sun? The sun is to our south. We should be in the northern hemisphere. We have some signs here. Peninsular, Poya, Layara. Yeah, I mean, Pushat. I will have to go, I think, Malaysia on this one. but I'm not sure though. Yeah, I think this is Malaysia. If I had to guess, I would go Malaysia, and of course I have to guess here. So let's see what he thinks and if we are right. Yeah, I don't think we should be really far off. He's probably he's guessing northern Thailand, maybe even further up. He went Bangladesh after all, and it was indeed Malaysia. And we take the win with this one. Wow. Yeah, I'm really happy that I got it right. It felt like really weird. The writing was really weird, and that is Malaysian for me. And now we finish this video on 10th position with a little more than 500 points. We need right now 800 for top 6, but I mean probably he played a lot more. Yeah, he played all 20 games already, and we only played 8. So yeah, it's a good stats, I think. I really enjoyed today. We had some really good guesses here. I hope you enjoyed as well. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.